Hello everybody, this is a question grade 7 from the chapter Algebraic Expression and Equation with one variable. The question says a man is 6 times as old as his son. 20 years later, the man will be twice as old as his son. Find the age of the man when his son was born. Very important part. Okay, so this kind of a question is solved by assuming one's age, anyone's age in terms of your variable, like here we can consider variable as x. So what we can do is we have to write like this, that suppose that this is a man, data of the man will be written down here, and this is son. So what I had done is I have to write something like what will be the present age of man and son, and what will be the future time, that is 20 years later, that is written 20 years later. So this 20 years later is very important for writing the expression for future time. Now because sun is smaller than man, so we always uh, put the value of variable in that term. We can consider sun's age as to be x years. What is that? Present age of the sun. You can also write like, let the present age of sun is x years, kind of stuff. Then you can also write, then if the sun's present age is x, so as per the question, man is 6 times as old as his son, so it will be 6x. So here you can also write like, so man's present age, okay, is equal to 6 times x. This can be written assumed. If you are not making this table, you can write uh, stuffs like this also in your solution. Here we can see then what will be the present and future age of man and son. After 20 years means we have to add 20 years in both the present, in the ages of both, like whatever the present age of sun is, after 20 years it will be x plus 20. Whatever man's present age is, that is 6x, after 20 years it will be 6x plus 20. Now we have to find out if there is any relation that we can develop to create an equation. So here 20 years later, the man will be twice as old as his son. This is the relation. So in future, the future age is 6x plus 20 for the man. So man's age will be twice as old. So twice times as old as son's age in future. So it will be x plus 20. This is what we had to do. So as per question, you can write that, we can write like this. So as per question it is this. Now we have to solve this, and once we solve we get the value of x. It is 2 times x and 2 times 20, that is 40, because we have to distribute this 2 into all that is there in the bracket. Distributive properties, you know that. Now 6x 2x we have to bring together, so it will be 6x minus 2x. We are transposing this to this side, so into minus, and then 40 minus 20, because this 20 will be transposed to minus, and the sign will change. Ultimately we can see here that it is 4x and it is 20, and finally we get the value of x, that is of 20 upon 4, that is 5. So 5 is going to be the age of sun's present age. Present age of sun is 5, so present age of man will be, so we can write that present age of sun is 5 years, so present age of man will be 6 into 5, that is 30 years. Clear? Now the question is, find the age of the man when his son was born. So when his son was born means we have to make the son's age as 0. So we have to subtract 5 from the percentage of sun to make it 0, and ultimately we have to subtract 5 from the percentage of man to find our answer, and the answer is 25 years old. So 25 years it will be your answer to this question. I hope you understand this question, this method. Thank you very much.